Amnesia affects people's ability to form new memories, recall past events, or sometimes both. There are different types of amnesia, each with its unique symptoms and causes, making it an intriguing subject in psychology. Memory loss stems from both neurological and psychological causes. Neurological amnesia results from brain injury or disease, while functional, or psychogenic, amnesia is due to emotional trauma. The psychology behind these different types of amnesia lies in their impact on the individual's cognitive processes and ability to recall past experiences or form new memories. Two main types of memory systems are affected by amnesia: declarative and non-declarative. Declarative memory is the conscious recollection of facts and events. It can be further divided into two subtypes. 1. Episodic memory involves recalling specific events and experiences, such as a birthday party or a family vacation. 2. Semantic memory. This involves general knowledge about the world, such as knowing the capital city of a country or understanding what a word means. Non-declarative memory, also known as procedural memory, relates to unconscious learning and skills, such as riding a bike or tying a shoelace. Amnesia can have various causes, ranging from physical trauma to psychological factors. Some common causes include: anterograde amnesia can be caused by brain injury, infection, stroke, certain medications, or substance abuse. Retrograde amnesia can be caused by head injury, brain surgery, brain infections, or severe emotional trauma. And dissociative amnesia can be caused by severe psychological stress or trauma resulting from events such as abuse, violence, or a natural disaster. There are several types of amnesia, varying in their causes and characteristics. We will look at 5 types of amnesia: anterograde amnesia, retrograde amnesia, transient global amnesia, infantile amnesia, and post-traumatic amnesia. Anterograde amnesia is characterized by the inability to form new memories following a traumatic event or disruption to the brain. Individuals with anterograde amnesia can recall memories before the event, but struggle to encode and store new information. This type of amnesia is often associated with damage to the hippocampus, a brain region responsible for forming new memories. In contrast, retrograde amnesia refers to the inability to recall memories formed prior to an event, while the ability to form new memories remains intact. The temporal extent of retrograde amnesia varies. It can affect memories from minutes before the event to several years before. Retrograde amnesia can be caused by brain trauma, neurodegenerative diseases, or other disruptions to the brain's memory storage and retrieval processes. Transient global amnesia is a sudden, temporary episode of memory loss that cannot be attributed to a more common neurological condition. During an episode, individuals might forget recent events or become disoriented, but their personal identity and long-term memory remain largely unaffected. The episodes typically last for several hours and rarely recur. The cause of transient global amnesia is poorly understood but might be linked to stress or other triggers. Infantile amnesia, also known as childhood amnesia, refers to the inability of adults to recall early life experiences, typically from the ages of 3 and below. This amnesia is believed to be due to the ongoing development of the hippocampus and other brain regions involved in memory formation during early childhood. Additionally, infantile amnesia may also be linked to the reliance on nonverbal forms of communication and children's different perspectives of the world compared to adults. As the name suggests, post-traumatic amnesia occurs after a traumatic event, such as a head injury or emotional trauma. This form of amnesia can include symptoms of both anterograde and retrograde amnesia, and the duration of memory loss depends on the severity of the head injury or trauma experienced. Recovery may be gradual or spontaneous and varies from case to case. Amnesia treatment and recovery heavily depend on the specific cause and type of memory loss a person experiences. One approach to amnesia treatment includes cognitive rehabilitation. This involves working with a professional, such as a neuropsychologist or occupational therapist, to help regain cognitive functions and improve memory through structured exercises and memory aids. Cognitive rehabilitation can benefit individuals suffering from traumatic brain injury or other amnesia-related disorders. Although no specific medications are available for treating most types of amnesia, certain conditions causing memory loss may improve with medical intervention. For example, if an individual is experiencing amnesia due to Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome, a thiamine deficiency-related condition, treatment with thiamine supplementation is said to help improve memory function. Coping strategies are essential for individuals dealing with amnesia, as they provide a means to maintain daily functioning and optimize recovery. Some effective coping strategies for living with amnesia include using memory aids, such as notebooks, calendars, and electronic devices, to keep track of important information and appointments. Establishing routines to help maintain a sense of structure and organization. Engaging in regular physical activity, which has been shown to benefit cognitive function. Seeking support from friends, family, or support groups to better cope with the emotional challenges of living with memory loss. Research on helping those with amnesia is finding other ways of addressing the condition. Scientists have found that 6 weeks of intense exercise, short bouts of interval training over 20 minutes, showed significant improvements in what is known as high-interference memory, which, for example, allows us to distinguish our car from another make and model. Laser light therapy is effective in improving short-term memory, according to a 2022 study. Scientists demonstrated that the non-invasive treatment could improve short-term or working memory in people by up to 25%. Researchers in Australia have recently discovered the active compound from an edible mushroom boosts nerve growth and enhances memory. Preclinical testing found the lion's mane mushroom had a significant impact on the development of brain cells and improving memory. While there is no one-size-fits-all approach to treating amnesia, a combination of cognitive rehabilitation, medications, and coping strategies can help individuals better manage their condition and facilitate recovery. Research into the various types of amnesia continues to provide valuable insights into the intricate workings of the human brain, memory formation, and the factors that can disrupt these processes.